The third pillar of Islam, Zakah. Every rich person who has a saving of more than 85 grams of gold, more than the nisab level, should give 2.5% of his saving every lunar in charity. If every rich human being in this world gives zakah, charity will be eradicated from this world. When we give zakah, it's an obligatory fard charity. Most of the times, 2.5%. You have to give. And Allah says in the Quran, who is the one who can give a beautiful loan to Allah and He will multiply it to you? Does Allah require a loan? Allah, does He require a loan? What does He mean by this verse? That means if you see a poor man, you give charity. If you see someone who wants some money, you give it to him as loan, as though you're giving it, not Allah doesn't require. You're giving because Allah commands you. When Allah says, who is there to give a loan to Allah? Allah doesn't require. To Him belongs everything. It means Allah is checking, do you follow His commandment or not? Do you help the poor people or not? Do you see to it that you fulfill the needs of the poor people or not? When you give food to a needy, you're feeding Allah. Allah doesn't require to be fed. Allah says in Surah Anam chapter 6, verse 104, He feeds everyone but does not require to be fed. Surah Anam chapter 6, verse number 14. So here, when you're giving zakat, it's the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.